How to use Gemini AI in Google Sheet. You can use Gemini AI in Google Sheet by clicking the Ask Me Gemini button in the top right hand side corner to open a side panel for prompt and actions, or using the AI or equals to AI but bracket function in the cell in a cellular format. Now, basically, this is only available to those who have an upgraded version of Gemini AI. If you have a free version of it, then you cannot find these options. So in my case as well, it's the same thing. That is, I don't have an upgraded version of it. So when you open up Sheets, you just need to go ahead and press onto the three dot icon, or when you open up the cell, you could find these Ask AI or Ask Gemini AI button. You need to go ahead and type in that, and basically this way you'll be able to use AI in Google Sheets. So that's the way you could do it. So you can get the premium version of it and follow the on-screen prompt as well. And likewise, when you open the AI or when you open Ask Gemini panel, you will see a pre-built table template. Hovering over the template shows as a preview in the sheet as well. You just need to click on insert to add the template to your sheet, and that way you could use Gemini. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.